you know now what it looks like to be a member of the Writing Gym because you've been through it, but pull back the curtain for people who are listening or watching. What is that behind the scenes? What is the work that we do together in the Writing Gym?
Well, it's funny because I thought it was just going to be us meeting with each other, just be weekly sessions for you and I was totally unprepared, but excited when I realized there was modules. And I think I told you, I showed up to our first meeting. I was like, oh, it's like I'm in school. And I'm that dork who loves school. So I was excited for that. So I really liked every week there was a new module there and you chunked it down, right? Like you gave it in easy pieces for us to digest. And then weekly when we met, there was talking about it. We would go over what I learned, any questions that I had, and it also related to the pieces that I was writing and that we were reviewing as well, and that you were giving me feedback on. So I really liked that I loved meeting with you every week, but I also loved that there was that extra module and there was so much knowledge. And I think that's, what I was saying before, once I started going through all that, realizing, oh, I didn't know any of this. I really had no idea, and that there were so many layers to writing an article, submitting them, the queries. There was so much that I didn't know. So I loved every week getting a new module. I would take pages of notes, highlight things that I wanted to discuss with you or write down questions, and then getting to meet with you every week and discussing what I had learned and going over my articles. So that was my experience.
If you've enjoyed this writing tip, please be sure to subscribe to the Writing Gym podcast. If you're ready and serious about finishing that novel, head on over to datewiththemuse.com/book a call to talk with our team.